I think fintech remains possibly the single largest venture opportunity in India. So we've gone through two waves already, technological shifts. First was digital identity with Aadhaar, which delivered a billion bank accounts or billion bank account holders. The second shift has been digital payments, which has been tremendously successful with UPI. The third shift is actually two shifts actually happening. One is data, which you're seeing with account aggregator. But fundamentally, what is most exciting on the horizon is digital credit origination, right? So for example, last year, 350 million small loans were issued, right? 2 out of 3 of these small loans were issued digitally, largely by fintechs. And we think that probably in the near future, maybe not by 24, but certainly by 2027, 28, 95 to 99% of loans, small loans, will be issued by fintechs. And we believe this number is set to rise exponentially.
Okay, so has ATI invested in any startups recently or any other company?
Yeah, we've been investing very regularly. This year we've invested in a company called Transbank, which digitizes supply chain finance, makes collections very easy. So particularly with new to credit borrowers, so it's growing very, very fast. Last year we invested in a company called Creditail, which also enables supply chain finance for kiranas. And now looking ahead, we are very actively looking at this digital credit origination space. If you start to think a billion loans a month, your current technology infrastructure cannot support it. Collections, recon, all of that. So we think the entire digital credit infrastructure has to get retooled. So it cannot be done with legacy systems. You need new players, and those are the guys we're looking to seed.
How much average investment you have done to the new companies this year?
So this year, basically, between these two companies, we've invested about $3 million. So we are seed stage. So typically, we invest about $1 million to $2 million a pop. So this is an area that we focus on. But generally, we expect over the next 3 years to basically write about 20 first checks, right? So about 6 to 7 companies a year comfortably, and then double down again in future rounds.
As a venture capitalist, my last question to you, as a venture capitalist, do you think that the funding system should improve for the startups?
Look, given the size of the opportunity in India, there's not enough capital. That's for sure. I think the Indian venture ecosystem can absorb 100 times more seed capital than what is available today. Certainly. I think we are ripe for disruption, the whole country. We are digitizing very quickly. And we have fantastic founders. Many of them are second-time founders. We need more capital here.